SM961 helmet lens remove and install. Put the helmet on a soft cushion. Open the outer lens. Pull the buckle of the lens base with your left hand and take out the lens with your right hand. Remove another lens in the same way. Now let's install the lens. Press the buckle of the lens base with the left hand. Press the lens with the right hand to install it into the base slot. Install another lens into the base slot in the same way. After the lens is installed, test whether the lens can be switched normally.